Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Immutable X. After a long time period, Immutable X has broken out this resistance of a long-term down channel, and in today's analysis we will take a look at the next expected move and target for Immutable X. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with this recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon of Immutable X. That was I shared almost 4 days ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley setup. And by the way, this setup was formed with US dollar pair, not with the Bitcoin pair. And you can see our buying zone was from approximately from 88 cents and goes to 80 cents and 80 cents approximately, and our sell targets were from 97.7 cents to $1.08. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line from this potential reversal zone or buying zone of this Gartley move rallied very well, and we had a move up to $1.07.6. That was more than 30% rally on this daily time frame chart. Now if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that during this move Immutable X has also broken out this very long-term down channel. You can see it started the formation of this channel here on 29th of November, and after several rejections, now we are out of this resistance of the down channel, and at the same time you can see that stochastic has also entered went out from this oversold zone, and I'm expecting during this move it can move all the way up to this overbought zone, and that will be a really very big move. But right now Immutable X is stuck at this resistance of $1.13, and you can see that previously here it was breaking as a support, and for the past several weeks it is breaking as a resistance. We broke down this support here in the month of May 2022, and now it is breaking as a very strong resistance. After this we will have the next resistance here at $1.50. Then our next major resistance will be at $2.80, and then $3.40, and then here at $4.50, then $5.50, and here this will be our final resistance at $8.30 as per this KuCoin chart. And you can see on the weekly time frame we have only one touch point here, but if we take a look at this resistance of $8.30 at the daily time frame, then we can see that we have multiple touch points here. We have 1, 2, 3 touch points here. Therefore I have defined my final resistance here, and that is also the final target for this down channel as well, because after breaking out the channel, the top of the channel can be our final target, and that is $8.30. And right now we are moving around at $1, and from $1 all the way up to this $8.30, so that will be really very big move. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have this resistance of $1.13 that I was showing you here on the weekly time frame, and you can see that it has also formed another uptrend line support as well. So there is also a formation of this ascending triangle, and for example if Immutable X breaks out this triangle, then we can expect the next move here that will be approximately $1.89. that is beyond our next resistance of $1.50. So after breaking out this triangle, we can also break out this next resistance of $1.50 as well. And it is also possible that we may have some more sideways or zigzag move in this triangle, and when the movement will be more squeezed, then it will break out or break down the support. I'm expecting that it can break out because we have already broken out a very big down channel, and you can see that the oscillator is also coming out from the oversold zone, and it is turned very strong bullish, so we can expect that soon it can break out this triangle as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.